Over 450 kilometers in length, this river passes 3 different districts in the Riau province and crosses more than 47 villages. Downstream, the width of the river can vary from 200 meters to 2 kilometers before it finally meets the Malacca Straits at its river mouth. Under the pull of the moon, during the full moon or new moon periods, the sea levels rise in both the Malacca Straits and the South China Sea, creating giant tidal waves that sweep 50 to 60 kilometers up the Kampar River. As the leading edge of the incoming tide rushes upward to the narrow funneled river mouth with the lowest freshwater level of the Kampar River, it creates waves that can reach up to 2 meters in height, rushing upriver for 2 hours against the direction of the river current before it finally loses its strength. Often 6 to 13 consecutive waves appear depending on the bottom contours and the depth of the river. The waves are low near the river mouth and rear up as the river narrows. A tsunami-like sound, fearsome roar, and misty spray accompany these tidal bore phenomenon, or what the locals call BONO.
BONO kalau kita artikan dengan bahasa Indonesia itu adalah benar, suatu ombak yang diciptakan oleh pasang. BONO ini ada urutan sebenarnya ini. Pertama, 3 bulan itu besarnya siang seperti sekarang. 3 bulan besarnya malam. 3 bulan itu separuh besarnya itu malam, separuh besarnya siang. Nah, itulah BONO. BONO ini membawa efek, ada 3 jenis ombak yang selain daripada BONO. Ada yang namanya pemulang, ada yang namanya bakat, ada yang namanya bianca. Itu jenis-jenis ombak yang tidak terkendali, itu namanya bianca. Kalau pemulang itu pantulan BONO ini menumbur ke satu teluk, dia berbalik arah ke belakang lagi. Itu namanya pemulang. Bakat itu adalah juga arahnya berbalik ke belakang. Ombaknya memang cukup rapat. Bila kita terjebak di dalam bakat sangat membahayakan. Kalau bianca biasanya itu di daerah tali arus, di tempat pusat-pusat arus yang agak besar. Di situ tanpa ada kendali arahnya, entah ada sebagian ke sini seperti orang gila lah. Seperti ke sini ada arahnya tak tertentu. Itulah selalu ada korban. Pernah satu kali itu tahun saya tak ingat 96 kalau tak salah. Itu sekali korban itu mencapai 60-an. Jadi untuk itu kalau kita mau main selancar seperti ini, memang kita harus memiliki boot yang didesain khusus untuk ini, untuk yang bisa bermain di sini. Cuma siapapun yang ingin bergiat bermain di bidang di BONO ini, kenalilah alam di sini dahulu. Harus dikenali dulu. Di mana daerah kita masuk, di mana daerah kita harus keluar, di mana kita harus menolong kawan. Kita harus tahu betul. Jadi siapapun masyarakat yang pendatang ke Teluk Meranti ingin bermain BONO, tolonglah banyak bertanya dengan masyarakat yang ada di Teluk Meranti.
Each morning before the surf session starts, the group have to calculate BONO's arrival time. Prepared, they rush 30 to 40 kilometers downstream to the pit stop area, waiting in anticipation in unpredictable weather.
Hopping and jumping up from the top to the very last drop, and this is W Sound System. Are you ready, Red Boys?
I'm a king of dance on the city behind. I'm a king with many names, a king without a crown. I'm chatting on the microphone 24/7.
Definitely the longest play of my life.
You got the record, dude. You got
I just can't stop. Me gusta mi reggae, me gusta mi dub. We love the raga moving, we don't love no cop. When I hear the sound, I say it's time to get up. Put up your hand in the air for the king of dance hall. Because this one is really not your style. Don't keep the body moving, baby.
You know, I've caught some long waves, like about a minute long, and usually that in surfing is like 10 minutes. So once you actually do get a 10 to 20-minute wave, that's like an hour, really.
It's a proper fitness test. Like, I thought I was kind of fit. I'm not fit at all.
I never had a wave like this. Make me so tired. Just one wave. Just one wave is so long. Too long, I think.
I just think like a good session where you go to like the mental wise and you go on a boat trip, you'll maybe stand up on like a minute of waves in a perfect day of 6 hours of surfing. You can ride a wave 10 times longer than that and not even have a good surf here, you know, and say that was a bad surf and I rode waves for 20 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty amazing.
The king without a crown, I'm chatting on a microphone 24/7 non-stop. When the rhythm is coming and I just can't stop, cause this sound is strictly W style. No, keep that body moving, baby. I'm gonna make you feeling irie, so irie, because this one is strictly W style. Oh, keep that body moving, baby. I'm gonna make you feeling irie, so irie. Come on.
Horizon, sunrise in waves, shaking hands we said, white beaches, board shorts, this is living, man. Let the sun sizzle our backs as a paddle at the back, surrounded by good company. The sea sets us free, escape from the rat race, this is my space. No need to log in, what we've got is mellow mind states. Forever dancing on the waves, acrobatic board display. Offshore breeze, warm degrees, the perfect day. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. The tide is coming in, that's when the session ends. Crew will chill up Barbie Hill, this is living, man. Bragging about that left you got, that no one saw or just forgot. Sound of the seas, the soundtrack theme, living the dream. Wasting time, Corona and lime, sunsets behind the backdrop of the perfect picture. Mother Nature kissed ya, forever we will live this way. Embrace the ocean spray, real blessed, picturesque, the perfect day. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride and forever be free. We just wanna live free. We will ride and forever be free. We just wanna live free. We're gonna ride this out till the sun comes down for the freedom, freedom. Ride this out till the sun comes.
That is the weirdest thing about it, is like, I did fall off after like 7 minutes and then I got picked back up by a boat and then they rush you down in front of the wave again and you're back on onto like maybe a left or whatever you choose to. You can go straight the whole time if you want.
Sun comes down for the freedom, freedom.
Here's the wave, but then that's the level of the river. So it's like a whole level coming across and filling it up. So once the wave comes through, it's just absolute chaos behind it.
So I think Bono to me is unique, for sure.
Weird, wild, I don't know, all of the above. Not normal.
Wild. I think that's how I would sum it up.
Crazy, that's it.
you know, just fun, really.
BONO would be adventure.
Unreal.
Like the ones of what my daddy went to in the 60s. Boston Blackie and his Fonza boys. They're drunk on scotch and making that jug band noise. The guys and girls are stomping to the rock and groove. And then later on, they're screwing in the sand dune. Rocky wanna go surfing, no, Rocky wants to go surfing, and Mama, she wanna go surfing too. Yeah, Rocky want to go surfing now, Rocky wanna go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too. Nazi fascists who used to hang men abandoned their nooses and learned to hang 10. And the policemen with their guns pointed at the youth lost their aim as we pulled into the tube. I'd like to thank the policies for cutting me so much slack and allowing me time to develop my nice cutback. Rocky wanna go surfing, no, Rocky wants to go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too. Rocky wants to go surfing, no, Rocky wanna go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too.
Lihat di sana ada Bono, ada Tai. Bono, 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 yeah.
What's up, Ty? What are you doing now? 45 feet away. There we go. Me, Ty, and Chuck. Hey!
Rocky wanna go surfing, no, Rocky wants to go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too. Rocky wants to go surfing, no, Rocky wanna go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too. Rocky wanna go surfing, no, Rocky wants to go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too. Rocky wants to go surfing, no, Rocky wanna go surfing now, Mama, yeah, she wanna go surfing too. Rocky wanna go surfing. Mama wanna go, want to go surfing. Ozzy wanna go, want to go surfing. Bobby wanna go, want to go surfing. Dusty wanna go, she wanna go surfing. Killer wanna go, want to go surfing. Raymond wanna go, want to go surfing. Now wanna go, 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 go.